Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, we're looking specifically at the rectangular crossfold designed with creative die-cut panels. But as we're going through these, I want you to think about how you can consider this approach for any format, specialty or otherwise. So let's take a closer look. First up is a rectangular cross that was part of a series of themed mailers. The piggy bank theme has a custom Band-Aid sticker that works as a seal to fix the broken bank, and there's a zigzag die cut on 2 of the panels. There were 2 dots of fugitive glue to seal this one closed as well. The message was about saving money by downsizing and moving to a retirement community. The interior spread uses imagery of money, and there's also a perfed business reply card to tear out and send in for more information. I love the imagery and concept and how this is just a shape modification on 2 panels. Now let's look at another approach, also with a custom seal, but this one is for a high-end jewelry store in Washington, D.C. And this is all about style and sophistication to promote a very special event. There's shimmery paper and red and gold metallic inks, and the custom seal is foil stamped. In this design, all 4 panels are custom shaped with elegant curves that mimic the scrolling shapes on the cover panel and mailing panel. Next up is a really fun concept for a chef showcase at a retirement community, and I love how you conceptually lift the cloche on the curved cover to reveal a creative die-cut panel with the event name, and then there are 2 uniquely shaped panels with food illustrations on them. Open it all the way up to find additional event and food information. This 2-color self-mailing piece becomes naturally dimensional and is so much fun to open. And now I've got one final sample to share, and I'm bringing this one back from episode 513. It's a rectangular cross with a layered die cut in each panel, so that when it's open, the message keeps changing, but the framed section stays the same until you get to the final center panel, which informs the student of their acceptance to Arkansas Tech University. This mailer also features soft touch coating and had a tipped-in vinyl cling as a gift for the student to keep. Okay, I want to show you one more thing. All 4 of these samples not only share the same format, but coincidentally, they also happen to share the exact same finish size of 9 by 6 inches. So 9 by 6 is definitely a common size for letter mail, but neat to see how they are all so different and yet so similar. And we did this exercise with the rectangular crossfold, but you could always modify panel shape on roll folds, trifolds, gatefolds, specialty folds, anything. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.